When you open your Chrome browser, right-click on the tab bar at the top and check if you see the Show Tabs Vertically option. If you don't see it, you can enable it using the method I'm about to show you. First, type Chrome flags into the Chrome address bar, just like you see on the screen. This will open the settings menu where you can enable experimental features in Chrome. In the search box, type vertical and you'll see the vertical tabs setting. Set this option to enabled. Then relaunch Chrome. Once Chrome opens again, right-click on the top tab bar and select Show Tabs Vertically. If you want to disable vertical tabs, just right-click on the top bar again and select Show Tabs Horizontally. And if you want to completely turn off this feature, you can go back to Chrome flags and set the vertical tabs option to disabled.